Welcome back to another stream, guys. If you're here today, you're here to get some shmoneys with me. Y'all already know what time it is. It's gold time, right? So we're getting ready to hit the charts real quick. It's that 8 o'clock hour. You know, I don't plan on being here very long. I got a whole list of things to do today, including a funeral. One of my friends from high school has passed away. I went to see her viewing yesterday. So, yeah, a funeral today. All right, been a pretty sad couple days. You know, even though we're all destined for it, it's still not something easy for everybody to handle. Okay, so let's get on with the day. All right. I want to talk about a few things today. Let's check out the DXY. Let's see what DXY doing. DXY have been smashing lows, killing lows here. All these little wicks here, and here. They've been killing them. Alright? Smacking that. Even got below this low here. So this low here is out. So let's just mark that. Been waiting on her to come below these lows too. So we'll see. Maybe we'll keep pushing. But if we keep pushing there, that'd be great. Let's look at her hourly. See what she got. She got some stuff below. Here we still have this insufficiency in price. Here marked and here marked. According to the daily, we're still pushing to the downside. So I could see this market falling even lower. So if that's the case, then I'm going to just go ahead and go back to gold. We should see a rise in gold. Alright, let me go here. Alright, I'm blind us real quick. Alright, so we still have this insufficiency in this slippage candle right here. I'm still aiming for it with the buys. Currently in a buy right now. So it's just market is just on a lower time frame been pulling back. But DXY is showing that it's moving more, say, towards the downside. So we want to look for gold buys. Okay. So let's go here in 1 hour. See what we got. We got this strong push up here. We didn't get above this high here. We stopped. We retraced. So let's see why we retraced. Alright, so as they were pushing up, they did a lot of slippage on the way up. Had to come back down, right, to cover it, which they did over here. Later in the future, they covered it. This was a low here. So they kind of covered that too. Took these guys out on the 5 minute. We still have this top, and this top. Still high chances of us hitting those tops. I think after this little sweep here with this guy here, so let me mark it real quick. It's with this. Alright, so how low did it go? It went pretty low, got even low below these guys, right? So this candle. Alright, let me check the 1 minute. 1 minute is still making slippage. But they did tap back into it, so that's pretty good sign there. Why? See, this is a gap. They tapped into it, and then we have gaps above. So let's just see. We wanted to long here at this price, 23.80. It's like a small 13 pip pullback here. Take her where? Well, we would take her up because we just found a lower time frame entry. Let's see. The only thing that's up I could think of is this gap here that we marked yesterday and this gap here we marked yesterday. Remember yesterday in the stream I said we want to play the shot game. This was one, right? There was one lower, only gave us like 48 pips, and then this one here. The only reason this shot probably would have hit because we had a short stop loss. But if we were to put our regular stop loss, like let's say we did like a, you know, the 35 to 50 pip stop, you would have never got hit, and she would have gave you, hold on, let's see, she would have gave you that and came back down into this insufficiency in price down here, 141 pips, right, off of this insufficiency. I just needed to, you know, have more of a stop for it to play and breathe, but I did it tight. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and go here. All right, so she is moving. This would be it there. Let's see where we at. 17 pip, 28 pip. All right, cool. We could take that. That won't be bad. And then just bring it all the way up here. Not bad. If we was to get in here, hit the button there. All right, so let's see, where's the group? All right, cool. So the signal is there. That's it. That's the play for the day. That's all I got, really. That's what I'm seeing so far. We can push up. That'd be great. DXY is falling, so we should see gold rise. But this would be the play here. We could have took that one up too. Like right up in this area too. Okay. All right. Well, there it is. We got it. That's what we're gonna play with today. Get above these highs here, right? Here, this wick here, this one here. That's what I'm aiming for. These guys. And then let's see. We got this insufficiency here. Bring this over because it hasn't been tapped yet. This one has been tapped. This one hasn't. Okay. Alright. Now that we got that out the way, we're now in our position here at 23.81. I would have liked to have entered a position down here when she dipped into it, but hey, better late than never. And also, you know, it's not far from the low, so I can go ahead and take that and just use proper risk, you know. I'm actually lowering my risk by having it at 27 pip stop, and I'm going to go ahead and take it up to about 60 pips, like right here in this gap here. Alright, that's probably where I'm going to take it to if it plays out that way today. Alright, DXY is falling, so this is the reason why I am buying gold. Okay, let's see. Get above this high, that would be great. I would like to see them get above these highs here. Well, yes, we do have gaps and stuff sitting below. We have a gap sitting here. I see a gap here, gap here. You know, they gapped like crazy on the way up. And they've been pushing up this whole time. Except for right here, we're a little in the consolidation area. It's a little stagnant right there in this area. But I think we still good for the push to the upside. And that's the ball game. That's the play for the day. I found the position of a shot on the lower time frame, and then I just based that shot for my next entry. And I just took the low. So we're gonna buy up. Yeah, that's pretty much the play for today. I'm just gonna hold this out. I am the stop loss. You can make your stop loss wherever you want to put it. I'm just gonna do this previous low right here as 27 pip stop. I'm gonna use something real tight. I could fluctuate this stop. I can give it more of a stop of like down here, 50 pip stop, and let her breathe. And then as she comes up, I could bring that risk up if I want. If I just, you know, if I feel like she's coming back down to this low here, this low wick, then strong possibility I'm just give her just a little bit more room to breathe. I don't know how I always forget to turn my freaking phone off. It's a morning already, guys. For real. It's Thursday. We got one more trading day. I have been exhausted from the heat. I don't know about y'all, but it has been killing me. I mean, bad. Real bad. Alright. And I just can't seem to recover from it, like, fully. It's like it's so exhausting and draining. I could tell the next day how my body feels. So, let me get a little workout today. Just a little one. Now that I'm recovering from the first workout, because the first one just killed me this week. I couldn't even move my legs. I couldn't bend down, couldn't sit, couldn't do nothing, guys. Y'all know how that is when you get back in the gym, right? And you missed out a couple workouts. Man, I hate that feeling. That's why I gotta stay in the gym. So, but anyways, guys, here's our call right here. The little trade right here. We're not gonna worry about these here. Okay. These were just shots, hypothetical shots. If we was to like play the shot game yesterday, if she got into these price points, I was showing how she bounces from one insufficiency in price to the other, right? And she bounces from here, goes back up to insufficiency in price here, right? And then they keep bouncing from insufficiency in price. Right, we should see. I want to see just go fly up into this area, this big I see it. All seeing eye. I'm sorry. Still early, guys. Man, still trying to get up though, for real. You know, 6 o'clock comes around real quick, especially if you go to sleep at 1. You look at the clock and it's 1 o'clock. You're like, oh my God, I gotta be up in a few hours. Can you really get enough rest, enough sleep? Well, not with a baby, you can't. Not with a little baby, little 11-month baby. But she give you a run for your money trying to go to bed. She will fight it to the death of her, telling you, till she can't fight no more and just pass out. But that's how that is, you know. That's just my life. But anyways, we have, let's see what we got here. We got some news coming today. Yeah, we got news at 8:30. So we're going to make sure we use proper risks and we protect ourselves because we got news in less than 15 minutes. I honestly wanted to see if we could push back up into the zone here. I mean, we were reaching. We should be able to get up there, you know. But we do have these lows here and these lows here, and then we have insufficiency in price below that. So we just want to keep certain things in mind. That's pretty much it. Okay, so we got what's below. What's sitting below this price zone. I would like to buy here. This one, okay, but I would have liked to buy here, down in this price zone. This gap here to buy to the upside. Oops. But for the most part, guys, we are going to, you know, I'm holding the buys to get up here to this price zone here. The signal has already been put into the Telegram group. Win, lose, or draw, I don't care. I put the signal out there after doing my analysis or whatever. So if you go to the Telegram group, you will see that the signal is there. The signal in the Telegram group is a little higher in price. Price pulled back. We got in the signal was like a 23.83 right here. So we're a little earlier, you know, like 20 pips early, something like that, if that. But the signal is there regardless. I don't care if it hits stop or, you know what I'm saying. I'm all about taking the next shot. I look for my next shot while I'm in a shot, if that makes sense. So I'm using really good risk here to see if we will still get that push up. So if this, you know, trade doesn't pan out, I'm only out 50 pips, which is a very small percentage of my account. Not even 1%, probably like 5%, not even a 1% yet, you know. So if it hits, that's okay. I'll be looking for another shot. Like I said, I wanted to see if this market was to continue up to the upside to get into this insufficiency here and here and up here. But if she comes back down here, then I'll know that, hey, we're aiming for other insufficiencies in price. We got money sitting below. I always know that, you know, it's a two-way market. This can go two different ways. Okay. She's still fluctuating in around our entry price area. Just, you know, news is coming out in 9 minutes, so I'm protected. Hopefully that you guys are protected too. I don't know. It's you know, pretty much anybody's game here. Because of where we're sitting, this is just a congested area. This, to me, this area right here, you have to go down to the lower time frame to actually see everything that's probably popping off and going on. Lows, 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 insufficiency in price. Here, this was probably a 1 minute insufficiency that got ripped. Okay, they could bounce off of this and come up. We are now creating liquidity here. Come back and smack that. So we got some liquidity sitting above these highs. They did dip in here, and this is a 1 minute imbalance right here. See how they dipped here into this imbalance, and then they're pushing away from it. So let's see if we can get above these two tops here, because this is a double top here, right? And then money sitting above that. We also have that little 1 minute gap sitting above that. And you got another gap. It's like right here too. So like right here. Okay. And then let's see, above that, we're pretty covered. So we'll just have to see how this pan out. Bouncing off of insufficiency here. So this could be that shot if you want to enter again. Let's see. If you missed this here, it came back down, give you a chance to get in, and now we should, you know, run this thing back up. Let's get into this insufficiency in this one, because we do see these tops here. They didn't fill the gap completely, but sometimes that's okay. In lower time frames, they'll leave insufficiency. They'll just dip down into it and then run away from it, not necessarily filling it. So either one will work, a dip or a fill. It just, you got to see how it feels. If it's filling and it's keeping pushing through the fill of the imbalance, then you know you're not looking to shoot off of that at all. You're not looking to take a trade off of that. You're looking for price to just continue, and you just want to watch lower time frame price action to make sure that it's not reversing. You know, it's just going to keep going, keep going. You want to see it. You'll see it on a lower time frame, how it pushes and just keeps going. All right, so but that's a little dip, as you can remove it so you can see it didn't feel it all the way. It's still, you know, so I want to see if we dip in that, we could take a shot off of that. All right, and then move away. Let's see if we can snatch away. Didn't really snatch away like that, a little bit, but not much. I want to see more of a snatch to get above these highs. Right, there's double tops right here, insufficiency there and there. And then we got these tops over here, here and here. So we'll see if this one play out. Giving it some breathing room, 50 pip stop. Just to see, we do have news coming in 4 minutes. So we'll just have to wait and see what that is going to pan out to be. Let me pull up. Look how she's moving here. As long as we can hold this position here, hold this ground, hold our ground here, and we can push up, that'll be great. We go to DXY. DXY did some craziness, guys. I'm talking about some craziness. Man, check. I'm sorry, I pulled it up in another window, my bad. Look what DXY just did, guys. Hold on, you can see it even better on the 15-minute. Look at this big ass candle. Got below these lows, X them guys out, and shot away from it. So we will see if DXY continues to move up, you will see gold dropping some. Okay, that's all I'm looking at. And because DXY is moving that way, gold will start, you know, working her way down. I just want to see how far down I gave her some room. So we'll see how far down this push will be. Maybe we'll get into this insufficiency here or here, right? Because DXY just did some crazy shit before the news. So we have two ways that we can play. We can aim for the tops, or we can, you know, see if she comes down and hits these bottoms, which will be, you know, some pips down. Not that bad of traffic, about 30 pips down there, and then 45 down. So this is not bad, even though DXY did that little push to the upside. But if you look at DXY on a higher time frame, she has been falling, right? DXY has been falling. Everybody can see that, right? So this is why I kind of wanted to go. I was thinking DXY can continue down, and gold will do that push up, right? We got news in a minute, so we'll see in just a second. So go here, and we might get that sell. She's looking like she's setting up for that sell to push down. Like, we do have reasons to move down, guys. Like, we have gaps below. I don't see any reason why we can't go and tag these gaps below, right? Let me clean this up. This is done. Let's see what else we see. We got that. We got shit above. It's not much that we can do. There she goes. She slammed. I kind of figured that she would slam. God damn. Did you have to do that? Just hit all TPs at one time? Look at that news. News just... If I wasn't on stream, you wouldn't believe me. Look how we got into that eye. All TPs have been hit now. I'm going to go ahead and update the group and let them know that the TPs have been smashed. So give me 1 second to let them know that. Here, because I did put this signal in the group. I even gave them the Telegram, the trading view analysis too, picture. So I'm just going to hit them with the... Hold on. I got to update them and let them know everything. And look how easy she just smacked every last one of my TPs with that news. Thank you, news. I appreciate you, news. Thank you for that. I mean, sometimes, guys, it just works out in your favor. Okay, I'm just updating the group to let them know. If you're in the Telegram group, you're seeing me update these, update the signals. And it's like I can't even update the signals fast enough, right? Because the way she just killed it. Even with the little tight stop that we had, she still did the damn thing, guys. Alright. If I wasn't on stream, y'all wouldn't believe me. But it's been recorded, so you'll see it for yourself. Stop playing with a real G. Alright, so all TPs. God dang it, how come I can't? Okay. Alright, and I ain't gonna lie, that was a sniper little shot right there. That was a nice little shot. Gold is just, thank you, taking off, you know. It just that's how it be though. I'm sorry, I'm still trying to get the group, get all the messages out to the group. Yeah, guys, I do this shit live. Alright, ain't no, god dang it. I'm typing faster than my computer, obviously. And look at gold. Look how gold is just continuing to the upside. Man, if you're here at 8 and you show up, you know, you're going to get some type of results, guys. And I'm not talking about no bunch of stop losses results either. Alright. So, we were talking about us getting up into this all-seeing eye earlier. We did. We hit it. We smacked this one. You see how she went through here? There's no way you would take a shot here or here. With, you know what I'm saying? The way that she just moved like that, I wouldn't definitely, I wouldn't dare take a shot like that. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie though, direction today was on point. I'm just updating this group again. Alright. Yeah. I mean, it don't get no better than that, guys. It don't. And when you have targets and you mark the targets up, then you will see that you have stuff to aim for, and you got to make the story make sense. And when you do that, you'll get better trades. You'll be so much better at your trading, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. All right, so let me grab this because that was a, think about it. We did the top-down analysis. We seen what DXY was doing. We see DXY had movement to the downside. Why the fuck not take a buy on gold? Right? That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to take a buy on gold if DXY is selling. DXY has, look at this candle, guys. I mean, well, just well. I mean, you don't get no better than that, guys. I got to see how much this candle, from our entry, how much it was. It went 196 pips, guys, here on stream. Let's go. You can't get no better than that now. 190 pips. Hold on, let me put it here. That's 190 pips, guys. Hold on, let me get on here and get this for the stream on the reel. All right. Oh. Yeah, that was nasty. That was nasty. That was real nasty, guys. You, yo, hey, and they did it so quick. As soon as that news dropped, I was like, yo, they give it a little bit of room, but I'm aiming for the tops, and that's exactly what we got, guys. So let's get it. Let me get this. That's just crazy, guys. That's it. I ain't got nothing else for you. I mean, if you want to hold this bad boy, you can. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm done. Um, that's a wrap for me. And she's just going and going. That's free money, free game, free money right here, guys. Feel free to join me every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. And you're gonna, I'm sure you're gonna learn something for sure. And you're gonna make profits. That's for damn sure. Right? So that's what we got. And that was sweet. That was a sweet little move there. Let me see. I'm just gonna adjust my stop. Now take profits. I'm doing everything that I want to do now. All at one time. Alright, so let's just go ahead and just take yeah, let's do that. That'll work. Alright. Stop losses are in profit. What more can I say to y'all? Like, we had targets, guys. Easy money on that. Look at that. This was from being on a lower time frame. This is what I got. This is all the information I had. I seen what was going on the lower time frame. I based my analysis and direction off of that too, right? And DXY. So y'all seen everything that I had in mind for this play. This was a sick little play here. I gotta get let me copy the link real quick. I mean, like, for real. I'm just showing the before and after right now. It just works out that way sometimes. So that's that, guys. What more you want from me today? I done gave you 200 pips here on stream. Easy 200 pips. We just gonna keep doing this all day, every day. Think about it. If we did take some losses, this one trade just covered everything. One freaking trade covered everything. Gave us everything and everything that we wanted right there. Don't say you don't come here and make no money with me, because I keep my stuff here to show you, right? All of my analysis, and I show you. I keep my shots on here so you see how much profits we've been making. We've been killing these markets. Like, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Like, there's not so many of them. Maybe this one only got a few pips. Let me see. That one got 20 pip. That one got about 40 pip. That one probably got, let me see, from 36 to 39. This one got about 30, 40 pips. Come on. We making money here. And I keep all my stuff on here just to, see where I've been, so I know where I'm going. And look where we going. I mean, guys, that's it. That's a wrap. I'm done. I'm done for the day. If you want, let's keep looking here, because she is smacking our all-seeing eyes right now. We've been waiting on her to come up and get into this all-seeing eye. It's been sitting here for a very, very long time, guys. Since May. We've been waiting since May to get up in this eye. She's been doing all of this since May, and now here we are, finally up in the eye, all-seeing eye, and she's finna fill the gap. Too easy. That was just too easy. All right. But you can see everything that we've been working for the most part all the way up. We've been sniping the hell out of this market all the way up, guys. And this one just straight outperformed itself. Just what I've been looking for right there. There you go, guys. She's gone. Don't you dare try to sell this market. Don't you dare. All right, especially not with that momentum candle. Don't you dare. If you want to look down on the 1 minute, they just filled the gap. This was our call this morning, right? They hit all TPs is done. Set off every alert. It did not touch my stop loss alert. Right here. I had an alert underneath these lows. It never touched that stop loss alert. And she flew. Okay. If you were here this morning, you caught some shmoneys with me. If you didn't, well, guess what? There's always another day to trade. Trading ain't just for today. It's for tomorrow and so on and so on. And to be here after we're gone. Right? It's not going nowhere. There's no rush. If you miss a trade, it's okay. Come back tomorrow. We'll make another trade. Or you could sit here and look for another setup. Right? But I only trade from 8 a.m. to somewhere like around 9. Sometimes I'm done with the trading day. Like I'm done right now. It's at 8:44. And we're done trading. I'm actually getting ready to end the stream because there's nothing else that I need to discuss right now. Stop loss and profit. Take profits. Take partials. Trail. Just stop loss. You could bring that stop all the way up here if you want. You know what I'm saying? All this is monies to you. Right? From here to here. You could take 200 pips right now. Be done. Done. Man, come on now. Come on now. This was a nice little call there. Come on now. Tell me that wasn't beautiful. I mean, we're off the page. We're off the chart. We're off the charts, guys. That's what you're gonna learn and see here at Super Income Class, right? You come here to get sick. Sick with your tradings. Sick with your eyes, sick with your shots, being able to catch that shot, see that entry, be able to see what's going to happen before it actually happens, right? So, but that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I'm not, like I said, once we meet our quota, should I say, for the stream, we're gone for the day. Class is now over. You know what to do now, right? You know to break even or take profits or be done for the day. Do not be greedy, right? This is slippage. This is a slippage candle, okay? Strong chance of them still coming back down into this candle. So go ahead, take your little profits while we're here at the little top, all right? That's 200 pips. You're in a 200 pip range right now. Go ahead. You could take your money. Matter of fact, I'll take some more. That's what I need. I just need to take a little more. Let me take, I'm going to take half my profits off the table now. Everything else is a win. It's just extra money. And who can complain about extra money? Nobody. All right? I just adjusted my stops, take some money off the table, close some trades, all that good stuff. All right. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. We're done before 9 o'clock. Before the 9 to 5ers even roll over to hit their alarm to get up and get ready to go to work, we're done working. That's the beauty of trading. Okay. I can't explain it enough to the outside world, but I can come here and explain it on the stream without any interruptions or anybody having their own little opinions towards how I view these markets. Trust me, if you're not getting shots like this and profits like this on a live stream, you can't tell me shit. I'm gonna be honest, because I come here and I do this every day, Monday through Friday, and I'm not losing like that. You feel me? I'm winning my shit. So we're gonna go ahead and update the little stream from wins. We have 41 wins on here. This is number 42. Okay, so good trading day, guys. Good trading day. Guess what? You guys are the real MVPs, though, because you came here, you showed up, and we showed out, right? And that's why we come here an hour early before New York, before the 8 o'clock. I mean, we come here an hour before New York, right? This way we can catch that 8:30 news. We can sit here and talk at 8 o'clock for 30 minutes, you know, see what market is doing, look at price action, and find positions, right? We have time to figure out what the story is, right? You don't got time to figure out what the story is if you're coming in here at 9 o'clock, right, after the news. No, that's not what we want. We want to get here early. Early bird gets the worm, and this is why. And I'm going to stress this to you every day I come on stream, and this thing happens. Every time this happens, right? So let's get rid of this because we don't need these. These were just hypothetical. Oh yeah, we can get rid of that too. Oh, this could go. This could go. Everything is done. Done. Even a big eye gap here, which is a daily gap, is done. It's done. We finally got into the eye, guys. Alright, but that's all I got for y'all today on stream. I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. We're going to cut the stream now, 10 minutes before 9. There's not much that we can talk about. If you were here at 8 o'clock, you already got the moves. You already got your pips. You should be good and happy. Go on about your day. Do something else with your time for the rest of the day. Don't sit here and stare down these charts. Don't try to, if you missed it, don't try to revenge trade. None of that shit. You know what I mean? Come back tomorrow. We'll be here at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. It's that simple, right? So, thank you guys for coming to my stream. If you're here, make sure you like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? And hit that notification bell so every time I do go live, you don't miss my signals or you don't miss what it is that I'm trying to show y'all in these markets. Okay? Because I'm going to come here and show you over and over again until it clicks. Right? It's different when I do it. It's something else when you do it. Right? But I'm going to come here and show it to you all the time. You know, every day, Monday through Friday. So make sure you're here, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you for coming to the stream. Make sure you share this video with a friend or a trader that's having issues trying to get their trading skills up or whatever. Share this video with them so they can see. Maybe there's something in here that I said that will help them with their trading journey, okay? But yeah, anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and cut this stream now. Y'all have a good rest of your day. One love. Mo Diesel out. Peace.